In the magical world, Zohan and Mino thought they would see wonders, but instead they found something far rarer, a broken heart in need of a friend. The golden light faded, and Zohan and Mino landed softly in a meadow that looked as if a dream had come alive. The grass sparkled like tiny emerald crystals, swaying under a lavender sky painted with slow-moving clouds. In the distance, flowers as tall as trees moved and danced, as if yielding to the wind's secret melody. But beneath the shadow of a mushroom, as tall as a cottage, sat a small figure, his tiny shoulders trembling. He was a gnome, but unlike any they had ever seen before. His skin was a forest shade of pink, glowing faintly as though light from within, and his round nose twitched with each quiet sniffle. Zohan and Minu walked up to him and asked, "Why are you sad?" Gnome said, "My name is Pibble," he said in a voice barely louder than a whisper. Then came his confession. "I have no friends. Everyone disliked me. No one wants to play with me." Zohan frowned. "But why don't they like you?" Pibble's eyes laughed. "Because I'm different. They are all green and I'm pink." Zohan's gaze drifted to the far edge of the meadow, where a group of gnomes laughed and played together, never once looking his way. The spark of determination flared in Zohan's heart. "We will change that," he thought. Minu's eyes light up with an idea. Quickly, they got to work. Minu gathered glowing star blooms from the meadow, their petals sparkling like bottled stardust, while Zohan built a pathway of smooth, shining stones leading straight to the gnome village. Then, they invited everyone to play a game they had just invented. Gloated. At first, the other gnomes hesitated, glancing at Pibble's unusual color. But soon, his laughter filled the air, bright, contagious, impossible to ignore. One by one, the others joined in, their glowing footsteps darting through the lavender's grass. By the time game ended, the meadow was alive with joy. The other gnomes looked at Pebbles not with doubt but with wonders. They hugged him, and for the first time he smiled without hesitation. "Thank you," Pebbles said softly, his tiny step on the ground, and a swirl of a golden dust rose, wrapping Zohan and Mino in warm light. The meadow faded, the laughter echoed, and in the blink of an eye, they were back in Zohan's room. Lesson: real magic isn't about casting spells or finding treasures. It's about helping someone realize that what makes them different in exactly what makes them special.